What up, YouTube? It's your boy Darius. I want to thank you guys for watching. You guys could be anywhere else in the world, but you're hearing me, and I really appreciate that. Make sure you subscribe to the boy, leave a like if you guys have any recommendations. Leave in the comment section. I'll get to it as soon as possible. What we're about to do right now, about react to Eject Your Date with One Press of the Button by Cut. We got another video of Cut, y'all. I love these videos. It's cringy, but it's fun to watch. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know why I would like watching this, but it's just so fun, man. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, you know, it's the intensity of the whole thing. So we're about to do react to this video, enough of blah blah blah. Let's get straight to it.
Did you kill that leopard?
Oh damn!
Tyler Creator once said, "Don't trust a woman in fake leopard."
Nice.
Okay, well, this is going really well.
Yes.
Yeah. Welcome to The Button,
Hey.
a speed dating show. When the button lights up red, either player may press it and swap out their date for a new person.
Get out of here.
If two people can last on a date for 10 minutes, they win an all-expenses-paid second date.
This is the button.
This is the button. I want to join. Hey man, that's the same girl. That's that same girl who that one guy said he was ugly. She's not ugly. I don't like the tattoos, in my opinion, but different folks, different folks.
Well, how are you?
I'm good. This is awkward for you?
Yeah, I feel like I don't really know how to start, but
Do you want kids?
Hell no.
who either of us?
You want kids?
Do I want kids? I don't want kids for like 10 years. What about you?
I want kids. Like a family is like the goal at the end of the day.
Ah, he was first.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Why did you press my button?
This is awkward as hell. I just don't think it was there. Hello.
How's it going?
Hi. I'm Drew.
I'm
Nice to meet you.
Julia. You have a great smile.
Thanks. I appreciate that.
Hey.
Did you kill that leopard?
Did you?
You know what that guy looks like? He look like that dude for Smart Guy, in my opinion. He look like that guy for Smart Guy. You know what I'm saying? Tia and Tamara and little brother. You know, you guys know who I'm talking about.
Don't call me a poacher, but I might have.
Ooh.
Tyler Creator once said, "Don't trust a woman in fake leopard."
Nope.
Okay, well, this is going really well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
See you on Bumble.
Why did...
Man, I don't know how Bumble works. It's like the dating. Man, it's frustrating.
I didn't like her outfit.
Really?
How are you?
I'm okay.
They talking bad about me in the back?
Hey, man, that's the same girl who don't like video games. Hey, man, reject her already.
Oh, that's cool. I like your top.
She's cute, though.
Nice flannel.
Okay, well, tell me about yourself. What makes you so good?
Not so much that I'm so good. I just like everybody should know what they like, and I feel like we shouldn't waste each other's time.
Okay.
That's
so
true.
What do you not like about me?
That's a very hard question.
It
What do you
is.
not like about me? At first glance, what do you like?
Oh, glance only?
You
Okay,
asked
the
me.
hat.
You
What
like
the
the
heck
hat?
is that?
It's cool. It's affordable.
Ha ha ha!
Sorry,
Pleasure.
Andrew. Why did you reject him?
Why?
I didn't like his attitude.
Man.
What's your name?
Oh my God, the thing! Oh my God, my jaw! My jaw! I love so hard, my jaws! Oh my God, what the? Y'all been letting anybody on here? Can I get on here? Please. I want to get on here. Why do I sign up? I want to sign up for this.
Taylor, what's your name?
I'm Nicole.
Hi, Nicole.
It'd be funny if the furry guy rejected her.
I have an aquarium, a 55-gallon aquarium.
Oh, nice.
Nicole, are you not going to address the elephant in the room?
What elephant in the room?
That he's a furry.
So, I am a furry.
What is a furry?
The way that I describe it is
That you got that people do something like animals that they do sexual stuff to each other.
a fascination or a interest of animals doing human things. Talk
Is
about
it a sex thing?
it is definitely not just a sex thing.
It is.
If you're- It's not.
Have you had sex wearing that?
Yes, he has.
Oh, great. I wasn't expecting
Damn, man, I was hoping the furry to press the damn button. Damn.
Was I meeting you?
It's nice meeting you. Sorry.
Furry was quite a gentleman.
Yes, he was.
It was really nice, but yeah, I'm just not into that.
Hi, I'm Patrick.
I'm Nicole.
Hey, man, that's the same dude. Hey, man, they got a lot of the same people from the other video.
So you're...
Why are you so awkward? Don't be...
Why did you press me?
She was from my dad.
At least he honest. Oh, she's cute.
Okay, I'm Jade.
You know, got the short brown braid
Are
hair.
you the type
She's
of
gorgeous.
person to tell someone when they have something in their teeth? Be honest.
Probably, yeah, yes.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Got
why
something
not?
in their teeth?
No.
I don't see anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you know that
Why
wasn't
did
gonna go
you
anywhere.
reject him?
I think he was very soft-spoken. I'm Jade.
You know, in soft spoken, you know, I don't mean to diss the guy, you know, because I'm sure he's a cool dude. It's just awkward, you know what I'm saying? The way he proposed himself, he posture, he's just so awkward, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And I'm not saying, you know, being awkward is a bad thing, anything, but, you know, we on the day, you don't want to be just awkward, you want to be cool. It can be awkward, but in a cool way, in a confident sense. You see what I'm saying? That was the thing. He was just not the most confident dude in the world. You get what I'm saying? And like I said, I'm not saying that to bash the guy or anything because I don't know him personally. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm sure he's a great dude and everything. You know what I'm saying? But we're going on a date. You have to be confident.
I'm Joel.
Jade with a D.
Jade
Hey, man, that's the dude who rejected the black girl.
You about me. I really like to dance.
Prove it.
Okay, what the hell is this? Okay, look, she's doing the robot. What the, that was awkward. I'll probably press the button for that alone. I would have done the same thing.
Why did you reject her?
The dance moves just weren't it for me.
It wasn't it for me either.
What's your name?
Izzy.
Oh, she kind of like a hippie.
Sure, like, what's the inspiration behind it?
I thrifted it and it was cute.
Oh, she got a big ass gap though.
Wait, like which one's your favorite?
Nothing wrong with that, you know what I'm saying? People like people with gap teeth, you know, like they actually look cute and everything. I got a small gap, you guys can't see it.
I forgot the name. I shouldn't. It's green. I forgot. Yeah, I don't.
Joel is a good Christian boy.
He looks like a Christian boy.
I try to be.
Like he look conservative and she look liberal.
He's a good Christian boy.
Is that a problem?
Absolutely.
How the hell is that? I digress.
Izzy, love your jewelry.
Appreciate you. Love the earrings.
Thank you.
Okay, they look more like they're in the match.
Pretty. You are pretty.
You're pretty.
You know, I get
The color of your skin is like
Thank you.
glowing. You're like
Love that.
radiant.
Are
okay.
you into each other? Something happening here?
Don't press the button. Don't press the button. Don't press the button.
I know. I don't really
Oh,
know
good.
yet.
No,
Good.
What's
I'm
your
getting good
sign?
5 from them.
I'm a Capricorn.
God damn it. Where's the button? Nope. Nope.
What the hell's wrong with Capricorn? Do people really give the damn by a sign? Astrology, like, I probably wouldn't want to date her either if you care that much about a sign. You know what I'm saying? It's like, who cares? The astrology sign, they're not always accurate. You get what I'm saying?
There's something about that's all that happens for me ever.
I'm grounded. That's all I know.
Yeah, that's what you guys all say.
Why
He
did
was
you
first,
reject
yes!
Izzy?
If you're gonna cut me off just because of my sign, it's not someone who I necessarily want to date.
Exactly.
Hi. A quick question.
Yes.
Do you like SpongeBob?
That's a weird question. Hey man, I think that's the same girl who rejected the other guy after they had a deep conversation. I don't know.
All right.
Are you attracted to each other?
Yeah.
Nope.
Hey.
It was the button lit up, and I was just.
Yeah. You know, like if you ask SpongeBob on a date, especially on the first date, that's weird. You know what I'm saying? I like SpongeBob too. You know, who's gonna buy on the other the street? But that's not the question you ask to a girl on the first date or the first date. Maybe on the fourth date, but not on the first date.
I'm sorry. Hi. What's your name?
Okay, if that do it again.
I like your tattoos.
Thanks.
Those are dope.
My best friend. She's a tattoo artist.
Oh, dope.
No.
I want to get a chest piece because I'm Panamanian and I wanted to signify.
You Panamanian. That's cool.
This experience has been cool for you.
Yeah, it's been pretty fun. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
It's fun just all of us talking about everybody and stuff.
What's your type?
I mean, whatever. Honestly, I would say you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
you'd be my type.
Like they do was like, hey,
Yeah.
like he had the confidence level
sure.
with them too.
And I say cute because I feel like
beautiful would be kind of cliche. So I feel like as a whole, like you're very aesthetically pleasing to me.
Nice.
For sure. Once you're in a relationship.
Okay. I see a good vibe. I feel a good vibe between them.
So if I were to be in a relationship, I would want to just be monogamous.
Okay.
I feel that.
Same.
I feel
I'm
that.
a jealous person.
I'm not really jealous.
No, I'm not either. I feel like
I am. I'm just
If
the
there's
jealous
somebody that I should
guy.
be worried about,
Look
then-
out.
Then they were never yours to begin with,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not pressing the button. I'm having a
Okay,
good time.
cool.
Yes.
We're vibing?
We're vibing.
Nice.
Did you go to college?
Yeah, I'm still in school right now.
How old are you?
Nice.
21. I turned 22
You're
on Wednesday.
Baby.
How old are you?
Andrew's age preference is 21 to 35.
Damn, I'm snitching. Yeah, I went through a lot as a kid, so like.
So how old is he?
To 30.
You're
on
a
Wednesday.
Baby.
How old are you?
Andrew's age preference is 21.
I think he said 25.
Damn, I'm snitching. Yeah, I went through a lot as a kid, so like, I think maturity is based off experience, not age. So,
Yeah, that's true.
I've migrated from a different country. You know, my parents sacrificed a lot, so it shapes you a certain way.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I was gonna do the same thing, no cap. No,
Really?
no, to like pretend. Yeah. Now we're good. Well, you would like to go on a second date?
I'd be down.
Yeah.
Congratulations. You
Yay!
I love you.
Oh, thank you.
Get out of here.
Yay! You know what? I wish them nothing but the best, yo.
Humans.
That was a dope video. I like this one. What you guys think of this cut video? Let me know. Comment down below. Like, subscribe to the boy. You can check out my previous cut video down here. Peace, love, and rock and roll.